most people don't know, for decades, Nepal printed its currency in India. But today, almost every Nepali banknote is printed in China. So what changed? And how did China become Asia's mint? For years, Nepal relied on India's security press in Nashik, but things shifted around 2015 when Nepal quietly moved most of its banknote printing to China. The reasons? Two big ones: politics and price. Politically, things got sensitive fast. Nepal redesigned its banknotes to include Lipulekh, Kalapani and Limpiadhura, areas that belong to India. So why would New Delhi agree to print notes showing Indian territory inside Nepal's borders? It wouldn't. That's when China stepped in. The China Banknote Printing and Minting Corporation, a state-run company, won the contract as the lowest bidder and offered modern security features like watermarks, color-shifting ink and holograms with no political strings attached. In 2016, CBPMC delivered its first batch of Nepali notes, including 1,000 rupee bills, printed in its facility in Nanchang, the same plant that makes Chinese yuan. Since then, Nepal has repeatedly awarded contracts to the Chinese firm, most recently a deal to print 430 million pieces of the 1,000 rupee note for about $16.9 million. Nepal isn't alone. Countries like Bangladesh, Sri Lanka, Malaysia, Thailand, and even Afghanistan now outsource their currency printing to China. So how did China become such a major player in global currency printing? The answer lies in its scale, technology, and cost effectiveness. China Banknote Printing and Minting Corporation is one of the world's largest security printing firms with many high security facilities and deep technical capabilities. What started as a practical choice for Nepal, cheaper notes, better quality, has turned into something bigger. China steadily positioning itself at the heart of Asia's financial infrastructure. For India, the shift is a reminder that currency printing isn't just about ink and paper, it's about influence. And Nepal's move shows how quickly the balance can change. With Jyoti Shukla, Bureau Report, India Today Global.